Hi guys, today we compare Nothing CMF Phone 1 versus HMD Skyline. The Nothing CMF Phone 1 launched on July 2024. The body dimensions 6.46 inch height, 3.02 inch width, 8.2 thickness. The weight is 205 gram and the build front glass plastic back or silicone back and eco leather back and plastic frame, and it's come with dual SIM nano SIM card sport dust and splash resistant. The HMD Skyline height 6.3 inch with 2.98 inch thickness 8.9 The weight is 209 gram and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it's come with dual SIM nano SIM card and eSIM card sport. Repair it yourself capable display, bag cover, battery and charging port repairs, and it's come with IP54 dust and water resistant. The display Nothing Phone CMF1 come with AMOLED 1 billion color with 120Hz refresh rate, 2000 nits peak of brightness and 6.67 inches screen size with 85.1% screen to body ratio, and the resolution is 1080p with 395 ppi density, always on display. The HMD Skyline come with POLED 144Hz refresh rate with 1000 nits peak of brightness. The screen size is 6.55 inch and the resolution is 1080p, and the body screen to body ratio is 85% and the ppi density is 402, and it's come with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The platform of CMF Phone 1, it's come with MediaTek Dimensity 7300 4nm. The CPU is octa-core Cortex A78 with 2.5 GHz CPU. The GPU is Mali G615 MC2 and it's come with Android 14 operating system. The HMD Skyline come with Android 14 operating system with Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 4nm chipset. The CPU is octa-core Cortex A78 2.4 GHz and the GPU is Adreno 710. The memory of CMF Phone 1, it's come with 6 gigs and 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs and 256 gigs of ROM, and it supports UFS 2.2 storage. The HMD Skyline come with 8 gigs and 12 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs 256 gigs of ROM, and it supports microSD card, and the internal storage is UFS 2.2. The camera setup of Nothing CMF Phone 1, it's come with dual camera setup, 50 megapixel wide, 2 megapixel depth sensor and LED flash HDR panorama and 4K 30fps video record. The HMD Skyline come with 108 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel telephoto and 13 megapixel ultra wide. The telephoto camera is 2x optical zoom and it's come with LED flash HDR 4K 30fps video record. The selfie camera of Nothing CMF Phone 1 is 16 megapixel with 1080p 30fps video record. The HMD Skyline come with 50 megapixel selfie camera and it's record 4K 30fps video. The HMD Skyline battery backup, it's come with 4600 mAh battery, non-removable, and it supports 33 watt fast charging, 15 watt wireless charging and 5 watt reverse wireless charging. The Nothing Phone CMF1 come with 5000 mAh battery, 33 watt fast wired charging and 5 watt reverse wired charging. It could not support wireless charging. The commons and the features. The Nothing CMF Phone 1 come with stereo speakers, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, fingerprint under display, proximity, campus and many others. The HMD Skyline come with stereo speakers, 3.5 headphone jack, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C 2.0 with OTG, fingerprint side mounted, gyro, proximity campus barometers and many others. The price of CMF Phone 1 is €199 and the HMD Skyline is €500.